Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This property comes complete with 3 bedrooms with the luxury of space, comfort with ensuite bathrooms, helpers quarters, 2 rooms and an in-unit laundry. There is also dining, living room, high roofs, ceiling fans, sitting room and even a patio area for leisure and maximum entertainment. Less than 10 minutes to major shopping, beach, the airport and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US $600,000 or Jamaican $92 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you can visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.